because it looks awesome. Yup. And wire. Oh, we'll add this too. Man. Chores. I had to call the dog. Huh? Okay, stay, sit, stay. I know you're excited. You have to stay. Oh, all right. We have to get back to work. Back to work. I mean, that's a good little grip for now. I'll come back in a little bit. It's supposed to be 14 degrees tomorrow night. Getting prepared, like always. So it's supposed to snow in 2 days. Regular firewood, chores. There's already ice on the ground in some spots. Big old winter storm coming. This goofball found a bone. Guess a deer bone or something. Loving life. Whew, getting there. We're getting there. This wind is cold. So cold, so cold. It's a healthy load. I'm sure everybody sees us just collecting firewood and all bundled up, collecting firewood. That'll do, firewood. That'll do. Anyway, I was saying it's probably boring just watching us collect firewood, but this is the reality of farm life. It's cold. We have a winter storm coming. And, we have a wood stove to heat the house. So, collecting and chopping firewood is the main chore right now until we get a garden going. So, stay tuned. Thanks for following our silly stories. Farm Life Vlog. Strong work. Anyway, thanks for joining. Daily Farm Life Vlog. Out.